Yeah, good morning. Yeah, we nearly at the end of the week. Today is a Thursday. Precisely, we still looking at the performance of the market, how it's likely to end. Yes, I have some few entries that I made on GU. Yeah, just like I said, currently we could see that we are still on the pullback phase. Yeah, because as you could see, we've been analyzing DXY and we could see that DXY started gaining some strength for some reasons. Yeah, so as you could see, this is DXY. DXY, we're still pushing up. On higher time frame, on the macro time frame, weekly, monthly, we are bearish. So this is just a complex pullback. These are just internal structures. Yeah, being on the pullback phase, we are buying. We are long on the pullback phase. That's why you see I have my areas of supply. You can literally see this is my extreme order block area of supply where I'm opening DXY to start now realigning back to sales. Yes. So when we go to weekly on DXY, I just wanted to give you just a picture just to let you know that on higher time frame we are bearish. You could see the series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and lower lows. Yeah. So basically, in the mid time frame, lower time frames, we are trading the complex pullback. We are on the complex pullback. Yes. Yeah. But then at the higher time frame, the higher picture shows us on higher time frame that we are bearish on DXY. We haven't turned bullish. This is just a complex pullback. Yeah, which can also be tradable. This is a counter trend. Yes, because you cannot wait for all this move, yes, to pass, and then you wait only for sales. It's gonna take you a long time. It can even take 2 weeks for the price to come to reach this extreme order block for you to start selling. So just like I said, GU, that's the entry I'm still holding on, and I'm targeting this extreme demand. This is my final zone of my take profit. This is just a complex pullback, just like I said, when we talk about DXY, we are literally bearish on higher time frame. So when we talk about the correlation, so as we come to GBPUSD, we basically bullish. You can see on weekly, we just on a complex pullback. Yeah, complex pullback on weekly. We're done with the external range liquidity. Now we're aiming to take out the internal range liquidity. You can precisely see it on H4. H4, these are just internal structures, minor structures, which actually we are trading. So my sell, you can see my risk to reward basically, yeah, is over 3.6. Yes. So I'm still holding, and I'm hoping to see that price continues to dip towards this area of demand. Yes, Euro USD has been a little bit slower, as you could see. For some reasons, Euro GBP, for some reasons, Euro hasn't been moving so well. Euro USD is a bit slower but steady. Yeah, soon it will literally move. For some reason, the reason why it's been actually so slow, because the euro has been stronger than GU. So euro, now this is what I have. This is my area of supply that I've been looking at now. So this supply is likely to be taken out. This is what I have on Euro GBP, which means on Euro GBP, we've been actually retracing back to the area of supply. So this supply was an area of inducement. Yes, I've been waiting to see how price reacts on this supply. So I'm hoping to see price selling off of this supply, because this is my valid area of supply. This is my area of inducement. So I thought price maybe could react on this most recent supply, but as much as I see the current momentum coming in this is massive. Yes, it's likely to be broken, to be taken out. So the reason why euro is a bit slow, because when we compare euro and GBP, euro currently is stronger than GBP. But by the moment euro GBP reaches this area of supply and it reacts, yeah, we start to sell. That's when we're gonna start seeing massive movement in euro USD. So these are the setups. I'm still also waiting. I'm waiting for euro GBP to react on this supply to see if I can take some trades, shorts. Gold USD, this is gold. Gold, you could see it reacted within this area of fair value. You see where I put my chalk? This entire area that we have, this chalk area, let me just highlight it. This chalk area that we have entirely is the area that we call the fair value area. You can call it also the order block area. This entire area is the order block area. Yes, yes. So these other order blocks that you see are the ones which actually got refined from this entire area. The one that I showed you, the entire area of the order block. These are just refined area of order block. Decision extreme. So gold literally decided to react within this area of the fair value. Yeah, the reaction was around this area of fair value. As you could see, we had also another area of supply aligning this area of the chalk. So gold reacted and gave us a bearish fair value gap. This is actually bearish order flow. Bearish fair value gap is a fair value gap pointing down. It's literally a bearish order flow. Simply shows that gold decided to sell, to start shorting from this area. You could see. So I'm literally seeing gold continuing to sell, targeting this opposing liquidity, which is residing on the swing low. I'm waiting to see, I'm waiting for a massive drop. This is the drop I'm still waiting for. Yes, yeah, gold is still actually gonna be dipping. It's still selling. For some reason, the reaction is evident. We've seen some reaction is evident on this area of supply, aligning the fair value area, and we could see the presence of the sharp turn, the bearish fair value gap pointing down. So the most recent raw liquidity we're eyeing is this swing low. So this is what I have on gold. So we actually likely to take out this demand that I plotted. We likely to take it out. Yes. So this is my view on gold. But currently I've been trading GU and EU. Those are the two pairs that actually I've been holding. Yeah, just like I said, EU is still a little bit slow. Nasdaq stopped me out, hit my stop loss because it broke below. Let me take you to Nasdaq, because yesterday I was hoping to buy it, but it kicked me out. This is our NAS. NAS kicked me out by taking out this area of demand. Yes. So this became a change of character and it shifted sentiment. Yes. So Nasdaq, we still actually trading the pullback, but in the long run on higher time frame, we still bullish on Nasdaq. Yeah, we just trading the complex pullback. It's a retracement. So this is what I have on Nasdaq. Nasdaq broke below this demand and gave me a bearish break of structure, of which it left above an area of supply. There are two areas of supply. You can see this supply might act as an area of inducement. Yes, or even if it